Welcome to this update on Rebeloper messages. And we have come to Rebeloper messages version 10. And that is because we are celebrating the iPhone 10. Let's go through the downloaded resources. First of all, you have the documentation PDF and you have most probably contacted us via our support team, and you are now a proud accessor of these videos. If not, go ahead and click on support on the button or email us at support@rebeloper.zendesk.com. You can see all of this in the documentation PDF. Now, take a look at the changelog. Let's open it. And as you can see, we already have 10.0.1 as the version. We have updated the code to Swift 4, Xcode 9, iOS 11, and it is compatible with iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10, all the iPhones that there are, and of course the iPads. This is a brand new project, so you will need to start from scratch. So you just grab your stickers and your IDs, your in-app purchase IDs, and we will build out your new Rebeloper Messages 10 app. Of course, we have added a new circular categories menu that you will be very, very fond of. Okay, it's super cool, the animation. Next up is the resources folder. Now, here we have our app and feel. Of course, we have our 4 folders here, but inside Xcode, you will just need to drag and drop all of your assets into the assets folder. One big assets folder. Okay, but we will get to that in a minute. Here we have our app field. We have our app title. It's white, that's why you cannot see it. We have our button categories button. We just need to delete this for now, the trash. Okay, we have our log button. This is set in front of the log sticker, and this has been a huge feature request from our students because in prior versions of Rebeloper messages, you needed to add the logged stickers and the free stickers or the unlocked stickers too. Not this time around, we just need to add our original stickers and this lock image, and that will show up automatically on the locked stickers. Of course, we have our navigation buttons and our stickers background and our fully transparent unlock PNG. Do not touch the unlock PNG. It needs to be to stay as it is. Now, next up is our categories buttons. You will see in the app that you can have unlimited categories and unlimited stickers. Of course, you may swap and change the locked stickers. We will get that into that in a minute. But here I have prepared 15 buttons for the 15 categories that I have set up in the original project. Next up are the icons. We have an app icon set, a big icon, because from iOS 11 we need to provide the 10 by 24, 1024 by 1024 biggest sized icon into our Xcode project. So remember that, you need to add that too. We have our iMessages sticker icon set, and of course the 1366 by 1024 messages icon. Okay, and finally we have our stickers, and you can name your stickers however you want. This is another convenience prior to older versions. So I have named all of my stickers from 1 till 40. And of course, you can see there are all variations of, they are all independent stickers. So I have all of my 14 stickers here. So let's open up our Xcode project. Okay, double click on it and let's wait for it to open. Okay, here it is. As you can see here, we have our Rebeloper Messages X project, and if you go to our Messages extension, first of all, I will just show you all the differences and new features inside Rebeloper Messages 10. So, if you have any questions or there are some gray parts on how to do some kind of stuff like creating an in-app purchase ID, go ahead and watch the videos down below. They are in such a great detail that you will understand everything. And if, of course, you have any questions, just contact me on support@rebeloper.zendesk.com. But first, let's go over our setup folder. Here we have our assets. So all of our images are inside app titles, button categories, the buttons for the categories, our app icon, our lock, our categories navigation menu, buttons, and our stickers. And of course the sticker background and our unlock. Here you have a navigation button, shop clear. This is again another transparent button, well, it's an image that you do not need to change. So the navigation button, shop clear, and the unlock images you should not touch. Okay, next up we have our setup.swift file. Here we have some minor setups. So here we have our all stickers in app purchase ID. If you add this, then your user will be able to just simply purchase all the stickers through an in-app purchase ID. If you delete this, like so, if you leave it empty, then automatically Rebeloper Messages will know that you do not have an in-app purchase ID for all the stickers, so it will not prompt the user the option to buy all the stickers. Pretty clever, eh? Let's go back here. Now, here we have an enable subscriptions boolean. For now, it is set to false. Of course, if you do have subscriptions in your app and you did, and as I will show you in the subscriptions data.playlist how to set them up, you should set it to true. Remember, if you set this to false, then if you have the subscription data set up, it will not matter. You will not have access, the user will not have access to subscriptions inside the app. Okay, and of course, if you have subscriptions, you need your in-app purchase shared secret. Go ahead and scroll down below, see the video that shows you how to set up, how to find your shared secret inside iTunes Connect. Okay. Number of stickers in a row. Well, you see, there were some feature requests that some people wanted to show 3 stickers in a row, some people wanted to show 4 or 5 or maybe 6 stickers. Now you can choose either. You can show 1 sticker in a row, maybe, I don't know why you would want that, but you could show it 2 stickers, 3, as many stickers as you want, as long as it looks good, because if you say, let's say 100 stickers, it will be so tiny that the user cannot tap on it, and frankly Apple will reject that. But keep in mind that you should probably use 2 to, let's say, 5, 6, 7 or maybe 8 stickers in a row. It all depends on your specific stickers. Now we have an app theme color. You will see that this is a dark grayish color, and you can set this up. It's basically the header, the navigation bar's color. Okay. Now we have our frequently used max count. Now this might sound a little a little strange, but what this does is that inside Rebeloper Messages there is a new feature. The new feature is that you can select your most used stickers inside a panel, of course, a row of stickers, a row and columns of stickers. And this is how you set the maximum count. So, for instance, if you want to show only 6 stickers in that favorites or the max used stickers view, then 6 will be shown. I will get to that later on when I will start the app up. And that is all for the setup part, setup.swift part. Now let's take a look at the stickers data.plist file. Okay, it was quite cumbersome to set up our stickers data inside a Swift file. So I have moved everything into easy to use stickers data.plist file. And here we have our first item, and of course all of the items have all the properties. We have an image name, display name, is in category, and an is logged key. Remember not to change these. All you need to do is change the values of these keys. So the image name is the name that you add your assets. So here is our sticker 1. Remember, this could be anything. Just make sure it's the same as in your asset catalog. So we have our sticker 1. No extension needed here. Our display name, it's a Dracula. The display name will be shown when a user taps on a sticker, the sticker pops up in the balloon, and then the user does not send it, but comes back, and that bubble just shrinks down, and there is a placeholder inside the text area. That is the display name. That is how this will be shown. Now, is in category. Of course, we have unlimited categories available, and just remember, all the stickers and the categories count is started by 0. So the first sticker is item 0, and the first category is category 0. Remember this. Okay, so it is in category 0. Next up, is it logged? Well, it is not logged, and that is all you need to do. Rebeloper Messages takes care of unlocking it and setting it to be unlocked when the user purchases in-app purchases or unlocks this specific category. Okay. Of course, there are many variables, and if we take a look here, is it logged? Let's just scroll down a little bit, and you can see item 6 is logged, and let's just take a look at 15. It is in category 2, and it is not logged. Go ahead, you can do whatever you like here, and we will see some examples inside the code that I have set up. Now, how to add a new sticker? That is the question. So I will just simply delete this last sticker, and it is the sticker 14, and it's a super duper clown, and it is in category 14 and is logged. So I will try to recreate this last item. Okay, so I will just delete it, and it is deleted. Now, the not so hard, but it is quite cumbersome to add new stickers here, because if I add, let's just copy and paste it here, the new item isn't pasted here, as you can see. It's our sticker 39, and here it's sticker 39. Okay, and yeah, and now you can rename this. Let's see here. Its image name is sticker 14, and is in category, and it is logged, I believe. And I forgot what the sticker was, but I will check here, and it is a crazy clown. Yes, and super duper crazy clown. Okay. And that's all you need to do. Of course, you could also edit these plist files as a source code. So I will just open it up, open as source code. And you can just simply copy and paste these dictionaries, and you can change the order if you would like them to do. Okay. Next up, let's just change this back to open as property list. Next up is our categories data. Now, the categories data is structured in the same way. We have the first category is item 0 and so on. And we have our image name, that is the button's name, the categories button name. We have a display name, of course, and this is for accessibility, because one of the new features of Rebeloper messages is accessibility. That means that all of the buttons, all of the stickers, all of the alerts are accessible. That means that if you turn on accessibility voice, Siri will automatically read it out for you. This is a great new feature requested by many of you. Okay, and of course we have our in-app purchases. Go ahead, in the videos below you can see how to create your in-app purchases. Now, you see we have our category 1, category 2. Yes, one more thing. In-app purchases are for categories, not for individual stickers. Well, you could have only one sticker logged in one category, but keep in mind that in-app purchases are to unlock a whole category and the stickers that are locked in that category. Okay, next up is the second, the third, and you can see in the fourth category we do not have an in-app purchase. That means that this category is unlocked. It does not have any locked stickers, so make sure that you do not add any locked stickers where you do not set locked stickers where the in-app purchase categories do not have any in-app purchase ID. And I also have set up all of these. So I have 15 sticker category in-app purchases, and of course there you could also buy it as a whole with the all stickers in-app purchase ID. Now let's go back. If you remember, we can enable the subscriptions, and if we do, then we need to set up the subscriptions data.plist file. And that is plain old simple. You just add here under the ID key your subscriptions, and you could have as many subscriptions as you want. Keep in mind that you should not have, it is advisable not have more than 5. Well, 3 is mostly enough. Okay, and you have our weekly auto renewable and our monthly, and of course our yearly. Now, that is all for the setup. So I would just launch the app and guide you through the process of the app. And this I will do in the next lesson, because I see that we have spent a lot of time talking about the setup. So I will just run the app in the next video. See you in the next one.